Hello and welcome to another quick tutorial from Premier EPOS. Today I'm going to show you a little quick overview of the new sales layout system. So if I log myself in, it's this section I'm talking about here, so the sales layout. So we click on there and let's maximize that so we can have a look. Right, okay, so basically this system is how to actually physically design your sales screen however way you feel fit. So like I said, and there's going to be separate videos regarding some of the more advanced features of this, so this is just a quick little overview so you can see what's going on and what have you. So as you can see, these are all like the buttons that have already been pre-populated here. In this section here, you've also got the photo button section here, so you click on that and that's where you can select some buttons, different types of colours. You've got the solid colour system there, so if you wanted solid colours, you've also got, you can make your own shaded buttons as well, so you do your first colour and your second colour there. You can make certain buttons transparent if you want to make like a title, for example. There is a special option section here where you can actually physically generate a brand new button pre-selected. For example, like you wanted a brand new check button, card button, cash button, that sort of thing. Draw multiple sections, so you click on there so you can draw more buttons at once. You can delete the buttons, change its visibility, so obviously hide if the quantity is 0 or semi-hide if it's 0, stuff like that, so you can't physically press on it if you've got nothing in stock. Set the font, you've got certain special properties as well. You can get all these from right-clicking on the actual images as well. You've got a copy and cut and paste function there. If you select on one of the buttons, they all get highlighted. We've also got the add selected buttons to a product, insert a function, delete an item off it, or insert a new product and onto a new button as well. Again, separate videos explaining this. Should we go back over to current page? So current page, you've got the navigation. So navigation obviously is how to actually go through the buttons. So with this system, there's no follow or edit mode anymore now. So all you literally need to do is double click on a button and it goes straight into it. There's a few little extra features that pop up, so you can go back by click on that, so you go back a page like that, like so, or you can also jump straight back to the home page as well. If you've made a complete mess and want to start again, you can click delete all buttons from the page, or if you want to undo anything, you can also recover the deleted objects as well. Instantly create a back button. You can also find any hidden buttons that might be behind other buttons, that sort of thing. Occasionally that does happen. You've got some special tools there as well, which again we discussed more in depth in a different video, how to edit your columns or import buttons from a different from the previous version. You've also got a canvas override system, so you can change what the canvas color is in the background, so you might want to jazz it all up and put something different in the background. You've also got a few preview sections there, so you can actually see it before you can actually you load it onto your main screen. You've got template options up here. Now this is obviously, you can have as many templates as you like. You can have quite a few if you wanted, so you might have a different template for your, say for example, your cafe compared to your pet store or what have you, so you can literally switch between them and have completely different modes whatsoever, and obviously create completely new ones if you want. You can also download some of our templates as well. You can also export any templates from other stores as well. You might have done a load of work on one and you want to actually export it to a different one, so you can chop and change. There's also the layout as well. Layout literally just changes the colour of this actual window here effectively. If you actually click on a button, just to explain what this section is here, this shows you all the properties of the actual button. So this is called like more the hard mode area. So you can actually see where it's an animated button, or obviously if you the same thing as like hide if quantity is 0. So this is kind of like your little quick tool section here, so you can add an overview, see exactly what that button is doing. You've also got a layout tree down here as well, which indicates what buttons are connected to what and what pages they go to. You've also got the button contents as well. Now obviously this particular one is just a menu button that goes into this one here, so it's now selected that one. It's now indicated that there's an actual item connected to it, and you search them through here, and you can add it through here using the tool section here, or some of the shortcuts that I've explained up here. Again, separate videos for them. I'll do them in a lot more depth. This is literally just a quick overview just to show exactly what all these little bits and bobs actually do. So there you have it. Any questions or any queries, please contact support. Do hope this has been useful. Take care. I'll see you next time. Thank you.